Hello guys, Times here, welcome to a new video and welcome to Sydney. I'm here today as I'm coming to the reopening of an Apple store that was closed for renovation and it's opening in like 20 minutes. So yeah, we'll have a look around, see what's new, see the Apple store from the inside and yeah, enjoy. Okay, made it to the line. There are not too many people, I'm like the 10th in the line. The employees are inside. There seems to be a motivational speech going on or something. And it's just a matter of minutes till we can go in. Okay, it's about to happen. All the employees have lined up. The customers have also lined up. And yeah, I'm so excited. People are still coming in. It's so noisy. So excited. And we even got something. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what it is, but I can't wait to open it. Okay, so that was everything. It was so much fun going inside with everyone, all the employees cheering and everything. It was such a great experience. I hope that I can experience it again. And yeah, I got a couple of those gifts and now we're gonna unbox them when I get home. Okay, so now we're home. We have the thing here and we have a huge knife. And yeah, we're gonna open it and see what it is. I've heard something, but I'm not sure it is true. So we're gonna check it. And oh, fancy. And looks like it's a t-shirt. Ooh, nice t-shirt. Kind of small, isn't it? Oh no, it's way big. Okay, so here it is. It's a nice t-shirt with the Apple logo. I don't know if you can see it very well. And it also has it at the back and it says Apple Bondi, that's the store. So that's really nice. It's actually a nice gift. I didn't expect a gift at all. So yeah, it's pretty nice that they gave this to the assistants. I actually have two because I went in twice. So yeah, that's pretty darn nice. So yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you also very much for 500 subscribers. I know I've been a bit absent for a few months, but I hope to make it back now. I'm going back to Spain in a couple of weeks. And yeah, stay tuned and yeah, wait for more videos to come. Also, this is the t-shirt again, so you can see it better now. It's kind of hard with the equipment I have, filming with my phone. But yeah, it's very nice and it says Apple Bondi on the back. Very nice. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.